Right, I'm going to do the flip through now. Okay, it's all finished except for defluffing, and I'm going to put some glossy accents on this bit here. Okay, that is the front. And there we go. Okay. Oh, and put my stamp on as well, and that is the back. Yeah, it's very full, but there's a lot in there that can, like, you know, you can take out. And I've done single grommet there and a double grommet there, so it relieves the pressure a bit. And seam binding. This is, I always get into a knot. I'm doing those. That's it. There's there. Tuck and all backed. Okay, and done some a little bit of detailed work there. Okay, and you saw me do the page spread. There's a video on that. Okay, and so journaling card, pocket behind, and tag there, or journaling card, and that doubles over. Some more writing space on that one. And then that pocket here. That's one of the leaf tags, and then I'll put that in there as well. That was some scrapbook paper that I altered. Edith Holden, just done, got a few little vellum stickers around. Okay, imperfections make life interesting. That, and then it's just oh, I put a little bit of Tim Holtz paper in there because I thought it looked nice. So it's just one of those time card things. Envelope, nothing in that one. And that's the envelope there. Journaling card, and then that's another flip there. Okay, that's like a postcard plain, but it's nicely tea stained, if you know what I mean. And so, and I've stitched around most things, and they're all backed. And I put some few dangles on just here and there, not many. And you saw me do those. There's the Tim Holtz tag, or paper. Just put that in because colour tone went brilliantly. And just a little vellum sticker there of a bird, hope is never lost. And then one of the little snippets. That's one of YVONNE Preston's digi-kits, and it just went beautifully with this kit, so that's nice. And another altered envelope there. And that's one of the tags from the collaboration I done with Tracy Fox. That's a nice bead, that one. So I put one of them in, video on that. And one there, another tag. And that's Tim Holtz. That's just one of those envelopes with a bit of a fabric on to join them together, you know, and then that's just a little snippet on that one. And just puts, that's original vintage ephemera stuff, so I put that in there, and just one of me postcards. It's nice and thin, so I made a little slot there for that to tuck in. Centre of the signature, that's the other side of the pocket. Saw me do that one. And that's clips open. And it's just another envelope put on before you, so that envelope is sort of tucked under there. That, and then that was a bit of spare that I had, and I made, that's right, the circles come from there, and they were those, because on the back is the same pattern as that. So I made that into a, I'll tell you what I've got to do, I can see it, there's a little gap in this, so I'll do that now. You did a little wiggle, here we go. And that's just a bit of extra paper there, and I just made a little tag. Let's keep that flat. Okay, journaling card there. One of Yvonne's envelopes. So, like I said, it just went beautifully. Collect beautiful moments up there. I've done a video on this double spread. Page spread, really, because that was already there, and then just went to town on it a bit. And a tag. And then a little dangle. Belly band. Video on that. And, put that in. Did I do, see? Got to do that. The tag there, and saw me do that. Okay. There'll be a playlist. I think it'll be in unfinished projects. And just pop the tag there. And just some journaling card. That's one of the little toppers, and I've done that little topper kit to go on the time card. So it's a time card underneath with a little notebook inside here. And just sit in there on a paper clip. There was getting a bit full, so I had to stop. And video on these, and that's the back, and I kept it there because that's just beautiful paper. Yes, I love Tim Holtz paper. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed that. I enjoyed finishing that one off as well, so that's done well with finishing my projects. It's really funny though, because you sort of start them sometimes, because that was just a single signature. I most probably was going to do a 2 signature journal, and then I decided to do a single signature, and there was one left, and it was just hanging around, and so I quite enjoy doing that actually, and making something out of it. So, and I'll leave that all on there. So here we go, and I'll make sure the beads are out. Okay. And it holds nicely in your hand, and there we go. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye.